The bees' attack was far too much for the cub. But a greater challenge is coming. The cub's mother. The bees fight so hard that she only has time to steal a single comb. While the family enjoy their honey at a safe distance, the bees appear to have been defeated. Their home has been destroyed, and their young will inevitably die out in the open. Yet the colony is not doomed, because the workers are now rescuing at least some of what really matters: their honey. Each survivor is able to eat its own weight in honey, storing it in its stomach. They will have to abandon their dying young, but they will take much of their precious honey with them to sustain themselves while they build a new colony.